Friends, meditation simply means to be aware of your being, to be aware of what you are, who you are. The process of meditation is very simple and scientific. How do you do meditation? You close your eyes, sit comfortably, clasp your hands, fingers into fingers, and cross your feet. Make your body still and comfortable and focus on your natural breath. When you observe your natural breath, when you witness your natural breath, naturally your thoughts reduce. And over a period of time, your thoughts completely become zero. So that's when you get into a meditative state. Making your mind empty is called meditative state. Making your mind empty is the very process of meditation. When your mind is empty, your awareness is not on the body mind level, your awareness is on the soul level. In a non meditative state, your awareness is on the body mind level. In a meditative state, the awareness is on the soul level. You have 1001 benefits when you meditate. If you don't meditate, you miss all those benefits. Some of the very important benefits are your awareness level increases. As your awareness level increases, you will avoid the needless suffering in your life. And most of the suffering people go through is because of the wrong choices they make, is because they are not aware of the consequences. So with awareness, you will be very much aware of consequences and you will be very crystal clear to make the right choices, the right decisions. And with awareness, your thinking will be right. With awareness, your speech will be right, your words will be right, the choices of words you use will be right. And with awareness, your work will be efficient. So it impacts your thinking, your speech, and your work. So with meditation, you make yourself a better version of yourself. And the acceptance of certain challenging situations happens very naturally. You accept life as it is and try to focus on learning the lessons rather than complaining, comparing, judgment, self-criticism. All those things doesn't exist with a meditator. The more you are a meditator, the more naturally you are a happy person, you are a peaceful person. So the science of meditation is shifting your awareness from body-mind consciousness to body-mind soul consciousness. Thank you very much.